Bless you, son.
And go.
Go ahead, baby. Go, 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 go. Woo! Oh, okay. Hold on, hold on. Let mommy turn you around. Come here. Get back up there.
Tell her he's talking about the shooting and murders. Show her what you mean.
Awful. There he goes. Whoop.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I'm giving it man, he's running some sprints. And go.
Woo! Go, baby, go. Oh, 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 oh. That balance thing.
Well, he stopped to look at the TV. He was like,
Hey, son. Hey, you gonna take a break? You gonna take a break? Hey. Is that right? Oop. Say, look at me, Dad. I'm standing up, just holding on with one hand. There he goes again. Lordy, lordy, trying to climb on everything.